Hello students, now we will continue with chapter number 7, Interdependence in Living Beings, Plants and Animals. Energy change. What is energy change? That how energy is passed from one organism to other. Sun is the ultimate source of energy on the earth. The sun energy is captured by green plants. By whom sun energy is captured? Green plants. By which process? During the process of photosynthesis and flows into animal across a food chain. Now we will discuss food chain. You can see the diagram given in the book. In the food chain, first it gets started from plant, which are known as producer. Producers are those who prepare their own food. Then deer, example of the herbivore and primary consumer, it depend on plant for the food. Then tiger in the diagram, carnivore, which is a secondary consumer. It depend on deer, deer depend on plant. That's why carnivore are the secondary consumer. Then decomposer. Food chain is a chain in which transfer of energy takes place from producers to consumers to decomposer. All food chains start with the green plants, producers. Plants are eaten by herbivore and they are primary consumer. Carnivore indirectly use the food made by plants. When they eat herbivores, they are called secondary consumer. When plants and animals die, they are broken down into simpler substances by decomposer. Now a fact is given, many interlinked food chain form a food web. Food chains occur everywhere in nature, on land and in water. A balance between plants and animals is essential. If we remove all carnivore from the food chain, the population of herbivore will increase. This will result in decrease in number of plants on the earth, which will eventually result in shortage of food. Hence, a balance between plants and animals is essential in nature. Imagine, suppose, according to the given example of the balance in nature, if we remove carnivore, only plant and herbivore exist. Number of herbivore will increase and they consume more and more plants on the earth, due to which one time will arrive that all the plants will finish from the earth. Only herbivore will be there. And when such condition arises, then automatically due to the lack of food, these herbivore will also finish from the earth. Causes of imbalance in nature. Humans have made change in the environment to fulfill their needs. This results in an imbalance in nature. First, man is cutting down forest in large number to procure land to build houses, factories, etc. Cutting down of trees and burning of fuel result in increase in carbon dioxide, which increase the earth's temperature and result in global warming. Global warming, due to the cutting of tree, carbon dioxide percentage increase in the atmosphere, due to which temperature on the earth increases and glaciers start melting, which increase sea level. And due to increase in sea level, the coastal area, it will dip it inside the sea. Forest fire destroy forest, making animal homeless. Hunting of animal for body parts reduces number of animals and makes them endangered. Should we remember that environment is over and we need to protect it. We have to live in this environment. So it's our responsibility and duty to protect our environment. Book exercise. The gas green plants used for photosynthesis is oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, none of these, correct? Carbon dioxide. Primary consumers are herbivores, carnivores, decomposers, all of them. Correct answer, herbivore. C part, all food chain begin with green plants, herbivores, carnivores, decomposers. Correct answer, green plants. D, the ultimate source of energy on earth is sun, green plants, herbivores, all of them. Correct answer, sun. Nutrients are returned into soil by decomposer, producer, carnivore, herbivore. Decomposers. Give 2 examples of herbivore. Cow, goat, deer. Any 2 examples you can write. Cow, goat, deer. Give 2 examples of carnivores. Lion, tiger. Lion, tiger. Give 2 examples of omnivores. Man, crow, dog. Man, crow, dog, any 2 you will write. Next question. 2 examples of sponges. Vulture, hyena. 2 examples of decomposers. Bacteria and fungi. Bacteria and fungi. True, false. Animals help in seed dispersal. True. Plants use oxygen for photosynthesis. False. Plants use carbon dioxide. Green plants are called consumers. False. Green plants are called producers. A balance is essential between plants and animals. True. Carnivores are secondary consumer. True. Question answers. A. Distinguish between producers and consumers. Producers. Living beings which can prepare their own food. For example, plants. Consumers. Living beings which depend on other for food. Example, deer, lion, etc. What is a food chain? Give an example. Food chain, flow of energy in chain. Form from sun to producers to decomposers is known as food chain. Example, plant, deer, lion. An arrow in that opposite direction. Plants on which deer is depend, deer on which lion is depend. Plants, deer, lion. What will happen if all carnivores are removed from the food chain? If all the carnivores are removed from the food chain, number of herbivores will increase. This will result in decrease in number of plants. It causes imbalance in nature. List the causes of imbalance in nature. Causes of imbalance in nature: deforestation, forest fire, global warming. How are plants and animals interdependent? Plants use carbon dioxide breathed out by animals, and animals use oxygen breathed out by plants. Plants need help from animals for seed dispersal and nutrients, whereas animals depend directly or indirectly for food on plants. First one, what would happen if there were no plants in a food chain? If there were no plants in a food chain, it causes imbalance in nature. Rewrite the food chain deer plant loin. So we will rewrite it. Plants, then deer, then loin. You will see the direction of arrows also. Plants, deer, loin. Blow your mind. Who are autotrophs? Are an organism that can produce its own food by using light, water and carbon dioxide. Example, some type of bacteria. These autotrophs, we can call them producer also. And some autotrophs, they prepare their food by the photosynthesis process.